Hello everyone. Today once again you are welcome in my YouTube channel. So today I have brought for you once again video. I will tell you my learning journey. How am I learning before time? How I started this language. So everything A to Z I want to tell you in this video. So you listen carefully. So earlier time I thought that I should learn this language because there were two reasons. I talked to two people. Those that people belongs to South India, so they were speaking English. I mean that where that both person any school's teacher. So I first time I hear that language in my childhood time. Then I thought that wow, what a beautiful language. I knew that time this is the English language, but both are speaking. That time I had not understand. I did not understand anything. 0% in English. My understanding. So that time I thought that one day I will this language. So childhood time this kind of I had desire. So second I went to West Bengal. West Bengal speak people only Bengali. So I went for treatment purpose to any doctor. So that doctor was not able to speak Hindi. I belong to Hindi area, means my language was Hindi, but doctor was asking in Bengali. So that time I had problem means speaking. I can't understand his language. So just how I there manage someone. My friend told to doctor I have this type of problem. So then I thought that yes, I must know this language. If I visit anywhere, I think that without English I cannot go anywhere. I know India is big country, many states. There are many different kinds of cultures, languages. So I should learn this language. Then earlier time, what did I? Then after passing 10th, I went to study like 11th, 12th. I study for my nearest town. So then I thought this is perfect time for learning. So then I thought at first I will buy a dictionary. So then I bought a dictionary. I was thinking if complete 10,000 above words, so then easily I can understand, read, speak, all thing I was thinking that time. So yes, I started reading 1 month, 2 month. But it was not possible through dictionary to learn this language. But I was thinking that if I know every each kinds of word, then I understand, I can read any books, anything easily. So but then it not work. Then I joined spoken classes. Then what happened in there. I used to be very shy person. I did not talk to friends, to sir. So it was for me very hard. So I there did not develop communication skill because of it was my fault that I was not speaking. But my desire was to learn. I was not speaking. So then in my life I joined many classes like English classes. I joined grammar classes. Only there teacher were teaching grammar, like competitive level classes also joined because I wanted to learn this language. I wanted to learn this language. That's why I joined different English classes for making my grammar, my English, everything perfect. So they did not work properly. I was not able to speak. So what happened. Then I continued my journey listening, speaking. So really it took at least 12 13 years to practicing like self talking practice. So all things in this time able to speak. My journey is very long. So last 13 years I have been learning. Also in this time I am learning. I am trying to read, try to speak with the people. Whole time I am doing that. If anybody take a desire means I have to learn this language, definitely that person will learn. But depend on time and how they practice. Also depend on IQ, how you catch any words, any sentence, anything but I come in third kind. So means my IQ is very not so good. I'm not average. I small means I do not understand quickly. So that's why I took a long time. Many people understand very quick way. That's why any person 1 year, 2 year, 6 year can understand, can speak English. But yeah, there are many people take long time. So don't think about time. You continue your journey. Definitely every person can learn this language. So today I thought that I will make my process how I'm utilizing my time with English. Really I am giving every day 6 to 8 hours I think in English. Sometimes I talk, sometimes I listen, sometimes I read. All things nowadays I'm doing because I want to improve. So today I have thought that I should make my previous time video how what is the interest behind this language to learn. So everything is mind are coming. Mind are many things are captured. So related this my learning. So I'm sharing with you. So okay, I will meet you another time. I will tell you something new. If I share anything, then what happened? Also, my practice goes on, and whatever I want to say. Also my communication and every thinking power improve. So don't afraid anyone. Try to make video. I want to add something. I watched Sandeep Maheshwari video. He told that if anybody want to learn any language, anything, you try to speak, make a video. Your mobile, try 1 time, 2 time, 100 time. If you do such type of, definitely you will learn, you will master in that language. Okay, I will meet you. So now my daughter has come, so maybe disturb. So I'm stopping my recording. Okay, I'll meet you another video.